Today guys, I'm going to show you how to add a little bit more function to your form truck. Here it is, anchor points, super cheap and fast install. And all you need, super quick install, 13mm wrench and like a prying tool like a knife or a screwdriver will work to pop off the plastic tab. So you just want to get your tool out here. Select my weapon of choice. Go with the blade. Get in under here. Just dodge under that bed line right there. Bust this thing off. Cool. Once that's in there, this will go directly through there, just like that. There'll be a little rubber isolator that goes between just to protect the paint and also isolate it from just grinding away all your paint. But pretty much how this locks down is it goes inside like this and turns sideways as you're turning, and now it will clamp the edges of this sheet metal. So it's pretty intuitive. It's kind of exactly how like a TV mount on a wall works with the anchor. So let me go ahead, put the rubber isolator on here, and let's install it. We're gonna go ahead and just insert this in here, turn this and pull it, and we're just gonna run this down with our fingers. Let's see. Okay, so that's locked in. Now we're just gonna singe this thing down with a 13mm combination wrench. Alright, so that's pretty tight, and that's what it looks like.